Talking about accessories, we can accommodate pretty much any need or desire when it comes to accessories being put on the vehicle. Lift kits, roof racks, side steps, things like that.
So we have a 25 Tundra that we're going to put a 3.5-inch lift on.
The technician will replace the appropriate components.
This is a strut compressor. The suspensions are under tension, so they will fight you. So when you lift a vehicle, you change the geometry of that front suspension, which is what I was mentioning why my 5th grade teacher would be super happy to hear that I'm actually utilizing geometry in my career.
Once that's completed, we finish with an alignment to make sure the geometry of the suspension is good, and down the road you go. It ultimately is a one-day job. The benefit of bringing your vehicle in here is you do have a factory-trained Toyota technician installing an aftermarket lift kit. We can accommodate pretty much any need or desire when it comes to accessories being put on the vehicle. Toyota in general has a lot of accessory options, and we just want to make it known that we are here for your accessory needs for your current Toyota that you own or the new one that you're taking delivery of today.